If you've ever checked your bank account and wondered where all your money went, this video is for you. Stick around. Follow these 5 steps to control it. Step 1. Track every rupee you spend for 7 days. Use a free app or just a notebook. Most people realize they're overspending by 20%. Don't be shocked. Step 2. The 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like eating out and hobbies, and 20% for savings, including your emergency fund and goals. Start with even 5% savings if needed. Step 3. Before investing or buying luxuries, save 5,000 to 10,000 rupees as an emergency fund. Start small, just 500 rupees a month. No emergency fund equals financial stress. Mistake number 1. I'll save what's left. Nothing's ever left. Pay yourself first. Mistake number 2. Buying to impress, nobody cares. Mistake number 3. No goals, you'll drift forever. Which mistake are you making? Comment. Your homework. Pick one goal, like save 10,000 rupees or pay off 5,000 rupees debt. Write it down and comment below. I'll reply to help.